This is the Somnia game for the week, and unlike so many other Somnia games, this particular one can actually be played on your mobile. As a matter of fact, the controls are built and optimized for you to play on your mobile device, and if you play with your mobile, it becomes very easy to control. However, I'm going to be completing this task here, showing you how to play it using PC, because mobile device is actually self-explanatory. For the Somnia Odyssey, if you want to complete the task on Somnia Odyssey and claim your reward, you need to defeat 200 enemies in total. However, this task is not a compulsory task, it is not a green task, and it is not a start task, so it is optional, and this is just for fun to play it and get 40 XP on your Somnia Odyssey, because like I've said earlier, nobody knows, Somnia Odyssey might become one of the criteria to determine your airdrop reward for Somnia Season 5. So complete this task and get all of these XPs. Now, for playing the Warzone Warriors, these are some of the things you need to know. First of all, you are going to be getting 1000 points when you register. Now, for your weapons, you are going to be getting one weapon, which is Uzi, which is a short pistol that fires rapidly. Now, to play the games, there are also missions, daily missions that you need to complete to claim more reward. So complete these daily missions, claim more reward, and you can rank higher on the leaderboard. So let us start. We are going to be playing our campaign. You have the first one here, which is the first campaign. Then as you complete them, you move ahead. If you complete one, you go to the second one until you get to the boss. So when you get to the boss, you can move on to the second stage on the map. So let us start with the very first one here, and then leave it on normal. Please make sure you leave it on normal, because that is the one you are able to complete. It is very difficult to complete other ones here. So let us start with the normal. For your controls on PC, if you want to play the game on PC, please pay attention to what I'm going to be showing you once we start the game. Once the game starts, if you are using PC, put it on auto, because when you put it on auto, your weapon, your guy shoots automatically. All right, so it is on auto right now, so it fires automatically. Then you can use the WASD key on your keyboard to move around. So A to move back, D to move forward, S to crouch, and W to shoot up. All right, W doesn't make you jump. W doesn't make you jump, but if you click this button here, you can jump with this button here. But you can also use this space key to jump. So you can use the space key to jump, which is the one I recommend you use. Once you put your shooting on auto, you might not need much of your mouse, so you can simply be using your keyboard to move and shoot. So you use your space key to shoot. As much as possible, try to dodge their bullets. So once they shoot bullet at you, try to dodge it either by jumping high or by crouching, so that the bullets will move over your head. Okay, so we go. So this guy here, I'm going to use up. You can see that once I press up here, which is W, it shoots upward. So yep, this is basically the game, guys. Just go ahead and cause anarchy while dodging their own bullets. Okay, that's it. I'm done for stage 1. It is very easy to complete the game. Just move. In fact, it's not even easy to die. So even if they shoot you multiple times, you still won't die. But try to complete the mission. Let's go to next mission. For the next mission, still leave it on normal. You might not. Hard and crazy will be locked for when you're playing it for the first time. So keep it on normal and play your game. Remember, once it starts, put your shooting on auto so that your character will shoot without your controls. Okay. Now, when you get this special weapon, remove it from auto and switch back, because when you get to the boss, you are going to be needing that other weapon that is stronger than this Uzi, which is the basic one they gave you. So right now, I'm going to put this normal one on auto fire and use it to kill the normal guys. Then when I finally get to the boss, then I can switch over to the other weapon that has more strength. Okay, now let's go. That burger that you see there is for life. When you pick up that burger, your life will be replenished. So okay, this is the boss I'm talking about. So I can use the other weapon now that I picked up. What's up now? Shoot. And that is it. The boss has been destroyed. It's very easy to complete. Remember, you saw that even though the thing I had difficulty shooting at the beginning, but I later killed it, right? So you can click on next mission to continue. Then you can go to home to check how many kills you have already had before you can claim the quest on Somnia Odyssey. Just go to missions and then kill 250 enemies. You can see that I have killed a total of 79 enemies. So I need to keep playing the game, and then I need to keep checking here so that I can complete. Once I get to 200, I can go to Somnia Odyssey and claim the reward. So what I'm gonna do now is to continue playing this game. It is very fun to play, so why not just keep playing, keep accumulating your points, and have fun, right? Now this is my third mission. I'm going to click on let's go, and then I'll switch to auto. Once I drop, I'll start shooting. Okay. This is how you play, man. Just go ahead, cause your anarchy. These guys will drop a lot of bomb, but it will give you just little amount of damage. Just to continue killing every enemy you find here. Remember that you have grenade that you can use. When you find too much enemies in your front, all you do is you drop a grenade. Okay, I've dropped one. I pick up burger to replenish my health. Next mission, let's go. I'm going to start right now. Let's go. Yeah, once I pick up this, I'm going to stop auto fire, so that when I pick up this weapon, okay, let's see what this weapon does. Flamethrower. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Pick up burger. Just roast them all. No peace. Roast them all. Come on. Alright, I'm going to switch back to my auto fire weapon. Let's see, where are we going? Alright, this should take me up. Holy shit. You know what? I'm going to switch to flamethrower. First to die, the boss will die first. So that is it. I'm done with this. We proceed. Next mission. Let's go to home. It seems I have a new unlock. Let's go to home and see if I have completed any specific mission. I go to missions, and what have I done? Okay, 191 kills. I have 191 kills already, close to 200. So the next game I play will complete is 200. And then daily duty completes 3 stages in any mode. So I can claim this, and I've gotten the 2000 reward. So next one now, I need to complete 2000 kills to claim my Somnia Odyssey. So I go to campaign, and then the next stage is this. I start. This one will automatically complete my Somnia Odyssey quest, and I will be done. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Auto fire. When you see a tank, just bend and shoot. The bullet from the tank will not get you when you bend down. Okay, pick up a burger. You see these guys with machetes, right? These guys are very, very stubborn guys. You'll be surprised they will deal you more damage than these ones that has guns. See these guys with machetes, right? They will deal you more damage than these ones that even have guns. Okay, time to throw a grenade. Let's go. This game would have been a lot better if W was made if W key is made for you to jump with, but what we have is just W shoot up, because if you are a gamer on PC, most times W key is for jumping in most cases. So yep, I'm done. So by now I should have completed 200 kills. By now I should have. Let's go to home and see. Okay, missions. How many kills do I have now? In fact, I've completed 250 kills. So while I can claim this, and then I can return to Somnia Odyssey and view task. Defeat 200 enemies in total. The only issue is that the verification is not working right now, so I think maybe they're working on it to update our game kills on chain. So when that is done, then you can claim the reward. Now, in order for you to complete these other missions here, mint the moon pass NFT and perform 10 trades on mem, I have already completed a video on that. Refer to my last video on this channel, and you're going to see how to complete each of these tasks and claim the reward. The most important thing right now is for you to keep playing the game. It is a very fun game to play, as you can see from this video. You can complete it. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section. So any challenge you have at all while playing the game, when you finish a particular map, like I finished this map right now, you can see that one of these chests is unlocked, so I can claim the chest. I'm going to click on OK, and I have claimed the reward. And then you can see that I'll need to get 16 stars to claim this second chest as well. And then right now, when you want to play this game again, you can see that hard is now unlocked. So if by playing hard, you can earn more stars and then unlock the second chest, and then you can claim the reward. All right, so right now, just take your time, go through the game, play the game, and make sure you get 250 kills. And then once that is done, then you can return to your Somnia Odyssey, and here we are going to be waiting for them to update it so that we can claim our rewards on chain. That is all for now, guys. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with your friends, and for everyone that are participating on Somnia Odyssey. Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.